Hello everyone, how's it going? My name is Mark, I'm from NullTX, and today I will be talking about Bitcoin's price. Currently, we are trading at 66.75. We're doing actually quite well over the weekend. We've been rising and rising, and hopefully next week or in 2 weeks we can start testing new highs. The price did drop a little bit last week from 67 to 63. That was because of the SEC denying more ETFs and whatever comments they made. People didn't like that. But overall, we are doing quite well. We're staying above 6,500, which is what I keep telling us. As long as we can stay above 6,500, we should be well, because that is a good support level, and we've been playing around with it for quite some time. So today's Sunday, we're above 65. I say good news. When it comes to some current events, the title of this article was "Currency Falls a Bit as Former Bull Makes Scary Predictions." So the former bull is Anthony Pompliano. He was the founder and manager. He is the founder and partner of Morgan Creek Capital Management. He said that Bitcoin may take another 5 years before it reaches new high and occurs the bull rally that so many enthusiasts are waiting for. Earlier, he did make a prediction that Bitcoin was going to strike 50,000 by the end of the year. Now it appears he's taking a few steps back with his hypothesis. He explains, parabolic increases in price continue to take longer. Each parabolic run is measured from the last all-time high to a new all-time high. So he's pretty much using alt data to try and predict future market movement. I was never a fan of that. I never like to use alt data to predict something in the future, because markets are very unpredictable, especially cryptocurrency markets, which have absolutely no regulation with when it comes to volatility. Like for traditional stock markets, if a stock jumps too high, they will close trades and wait it out a little bit. Cryptocurrency, no, you do whatever you want to do. The market does whatever it wants to do. So I don't really think that it's a very good, using past historical data is a great indicator for future price movement. So again, Anthony Pompliano, he predicted 50,000 by the end of the year, but now he no longer thinks that is possible. Personally, I also don't think 50,000 is possible by the end of the year, but I do think we can close above 10,000. That should be relatively easy. I don't know why everybody's so stuck up on this $50,000 level. I think we will hit it eventually. I think we will hit 100,000 eventually, but by the end of the year, I think that's a little bit pushing it a little bit. Yet, despite all of this, bull or bear market, there are plenty of bulls, including myself, that believe Bitcoin is destined for greatness and very soon. For example, cryptocurrency portfolio manager Jeet Singh recently commented at the World Economic Forum in Davos that the present volatility investors are witnessing in the Bitcoin space is completely normal, and that the asset could reach 50,000 per year. So there's a lot of different opinions. So at the end of the day, nobody really knows what's going to happen. In his speech, Singh compares Bitcoin with the stocks of both Microsoft and Apple. He explains that initially, both stocks were quite volatile, and as the companies continued to develop and solidify their business models, both rose considerably and quickly. Bitcoin, look at this. Bitcoin was 5-10x, from 5K to 15K. That's 3x in a matter of less than a month, right? So the way this market usually moves is you'll have a very long and very painful bear market that lasts many months, like we have been seeing. I mean, this very painful bear market, and in a matter of a month or 2 months, boom, it'll go up and it'll cancel everything. So you really have to keep that in mind. At the end of the day, the market is not merciful, and it tries to trick as many people as possible. And the fact that it's been bearish for this long doesn't mean that we can't go up very quickly and very suddenly. So, again, we are looking at trade signals on TradingView. It is still a sell signal, which is predictable because we're still in a bear market and price hasn't been doing that well. But if we are going to see quite a rise to 8,000 in the near future, we're going to have an inverse head and shoulders pattern form, which usually signifies a reverse in a bear, a reverse in a downtrend. So if we can push for 8,000 in the coming future. I'm really hopeful that this will be the end of this 8-month long bear market, and we can at least start stabilizing around the $6,700 to $8,000 range, and hopefully close the year by 10,000. So thank you guys all for watching. My name is Mark. I'm from NullTX. If you guys like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, please hit the subscribe button. And if you would like me to cover any other cryptocurrencies, please leave a comment in the comment section below, and I will definitely get a video about any other cryptocurrencies you guys are interested in. So thank you guys all for watching. I hope you guys got some good information, and I'll see you guys next time.